All right, this is the 6-pack of Jvgoo outdoor color changing solar spotlights. Came packaged really nicely. Everything was individually wrapped in bubble wrap, and all of the 6 lights, the 6 stakes, and the 6 ball joints are all included in here, along with hardware, a little screwdriver, a charging cable, and the instructions. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are going to be my own. They have a 4-inch by 3-inch wide monocrystalline silicone solar panel that gives you 100% vertical rotation on here because of this ball joint that's on here. So that's pretty cool when you're trying to get them into a position where they can get 6 to 8 hours of continuous exposure to the sun. These are 38 LED lights, and they have 9 different lighting modes you can choose from. You just push the button on the back, 1 through 9, and the 10th time is off. And here you can see lighting mode 1. They've given you all this mounting hardware for each of the lights, and the way it works is pretty simple. You got this ball joint here. They've even given you a Phillips head screwdriver, so you just loosen this up, snap that ball joint into place, and you can see the rotation that you're going to get off of these. You just screw it back down into place, lock them into place once you get them where you want. And here you can see lighting mode 2, which is the white light. A couple of different ways you can mount these. You can either mount them directly into the wall flat like this, or you can use this stake, which is what I'm going to do. You can see we've got 4 different slots on here, and you've got 4 different slots here. So you just line them up and you push it into place, and it's totally solid. There you go. And here you can see lighting mode 3, which is the red light. Once you have them fully charged via either direct sunlight or the USB charging cable, they will work continuously for 8 to 12 hours. Another cool thing is once you turn them on, the solar panels take over and they work as dusk to dawn lights. So they will automatically come on at night. So you can basically set it and forget it. And this is lighting mode 4, which is the green, obviously. You got your button here to change all the lights on it, and I'll show you those at night. Here you have lighting mode 5, which is the blue. So these are perfect for outdoor use because they're made out of ABS materials and they are IP67 waterproof. So they're great for year-round use. And they can work through rain, snow, frost, high temperatures, and low temperatures. Then you have lighting mode 6, which is kind of a red, white, green color. Just to give you an idea too, the overall length on this, and the way I've got it set up right now, is about 13 inches. If it was flat, I'm going to say it's about 12 inches. That's including the stake. Here you have lighting mode 7, which is the red and the blue, which kind of gives you a purple color, like a cyan. And this is lighting mode 8, which is the blue and white, and it kind of gives you like a teal color. I like that too, pretty nice. And here we have like red, white, green, and blue, which kind of gives you nice, soft, lighted, and colored texture. I like that. And you press it the final time, the 10th time, and all the lights turn off. So they're super bright, they're lightweight, got all kinds of different colors to choose from. They look great in the backyard, maybe along a sidewalk, along a patio. You can light up your favorite tree. You can put them around the pool. Do all kinds of stuff with them. I love them.